Hi everybody, this is Gijs again, and this is already the fourth episode of the Campfire Sessions. I came up with this idea about a week ago when I decided to do a few small videos on products that I test on behalf of the Scandinavian Outdoor Award. And if you want to know more about the Scandinavian Outdoor Award, then please check the link above. Because in episode 1 or 0 basically, I explain everything about the Scandinavian Outdoor Awards, of which I am a jury member. I did 2 other episodes. Episode 2 was on the Bergans Fløyen Youth Pant and episode 3 was on the Ecco BIOM 2.0. Also, if you're curious, check the links above me. If you've seen the previous 3 episodes, then you see that this is a different setting, and there's a reason for this. Because the product that I'm actually reviewing is quite small, and that's why I decided on, well, let's create a small Playmobil fire. The product that I am reviewing here is the ZlideOn Zipper Repair Kit, and it is this little thingy. And ZlideOn sent us, all the jury members, a nice little package with a lot of different zippers so that we could try this at home. And I have been trying this, and if you know a little bit about zippers, then you know that there are a lot of different varieties on the market. And well, we got about, I think, a small 10 of the 16 zippers that they actually do at ZlideOn. And I tried to find some clothing that I could repair with this. Now, the honesty is that I never ever have a broken zipper. I know a lot of people do, on tents, on sleeping bags and just on hard shells. I never have a broken zipper. Don't ask me why, and I was not planning to demolish one of my garments for this. So I tried it just on a zipper that was intact, and what was really nice is that ZlideOn also provided a sort of a test sample for us, just a loose zipper and a repair, so that we could have a try. But I tried it on basically the zipper of the inner tent of a MSR tent. I tried it on my Lundhags pants that you see in a lot of videos that I have, and I tried it of course on my very beloved wrap fleece sweater thingy, and on all of them it did work. There was one thing which is a special zipper, and that's a zipper for a waterproof zipper to repair it. Well, I tried it on my very old wrap jacket, and on that one actually I broke the zipper, and that has got something to do with the way how I opened it and a little bit about the construction of the zipper. Because, and now I will have to get on my knees and I will have to get the little Playmobil set out of the way. That's all. Now, how it actually works is that if you take a zipper, and let me take this one as an example, you just fold it open with the thingy, the lever basically in this case, and it consists of 2 parts. And when you put your nail between this, then you can flip it. Now, with the waterproof zipper that I tried, I actually used my Leatherman for this. I still have this one on loan, by the way, it's not mine. If you want to see the review on this one, it's actually the Leatherman 3T4. I'll put the link up there as well. I tried to pop it like this, and basically I did it with a little bit too much force, and maybe the zipper itself was a little bit too tight constructed, so I broke it, and I could not try it on my waterproof one, which is a bit of a pity. But now let me take my most difficult product, which is a very lightweight sleeping bag made of very lightweight materials. And like I mentioned before, also this one, it's not broken. The zipper is perfectly all right, but still this is a very good product to give you an idea on how it works. Now, most zippers from YKK, which is one of the largest manufacturers in the world, they have a code. On the back of every zipper there is a 5 or a 3 or an 8 or a 10, and followed by a letter. And that's basically the if you have a YKK zipper to repair, that's what you are looking for, and it's printed on basically the back of all the small ZlideOn zippers. They also have a pretty good website, so if you want to check what you need, then you can check it there as well. But there are a lot of other manufacturers like Opti, for example, which is also a very big producer, and a lot of China ones that don't have this marking on the back of the zipper, so you just have to guess. Or like ZlideOn, teaches me, you have to measure it, and then you take one of these and you just measure. The first one is basically the width of the zipper, not the total one, not with the sew-in stuff onto it, but just the plastic or the metal part. And then also you do the same for basically the thickness of the zipper. And when you know these two numbers, then the website directs you basically pretty easy to what zipper you need to replace it with. Now, they also tell me that if this part was broken, then you just take a pair of pliers and you cut off the zipper, and then you start with the new ZlideOn Zipper Repair Kit. Now, I already tried this, of course, and I need this one. The weight is quite interesting. The smaller ones start around 10 grams, while the bigger ones, they end up at 20 grams. So it's not that big of a weight. Now, with my nail, and because this is an easy one, I can pop it open. Plop. Simple as that. And now I have to fiddle it onto the zipper, which is, in this case, because I'm doing things basically with my hands in the wrong direction, quite a hassle for me, and also because I don't have my reading glasses on. Sorry. But if you've done this, then you press the zipper onto the plastic or the metal, and then it's just a matter of pulling the zipper along the way, and you'll see that the zipper is repaired. Now, I think this is quite a nice little trick, and if you are en route with a hard shell, or you have a sleeping bag which basically, when it's cold and wet and rainy, you depend on, then I think it is quite smart to have a zipper repair kit in your backpack, bike panniers, whatever, because it's not about the weight, it's not about the size, but when you lose a zipper on the go, I think this is a perfect way of repairing it on the go. And then when you get back home, you can do this permanently as well, but then when you get back home, you can do it maybe with a total zipper repair if you want to have maybe more reliance. I don't know, because we are not doing a long-term test now. Maybe later, but this is just the small one for the Scandinavian Outdoor Awards. Now, okay, that said, let me get that out of the way. I hope you liked this video and that it was useful to you. And if it was, please give it a like and leave a comment below. And if you've got any questions also, please, the comment section, use it. It's there for a reason. If this is the first time that you see one of my videos, then you might not know that I am a 100% independent reviewer. I'm not being paid by manufacturers to make my reviews. I don't have any affiliate deals and I don't have any advertisements on my website. So if you like my way of independent reviewing, then please support me. First, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the alarm bell so you know when I uploaded a new video on more Scandinavian outdoor stuff, for example. And also, please, follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page. And if you do, many thanks in advance. Enjoy the outdoors and stay safe. Ciao, ciao. And now I'm going to build my set again, because later today I will be doing a review with a real campfire again, because I have a Muurikka smoker and I have a very new fire knife from Light My Fire to review as well. So that's going to be